Now what we're going to learn about is multiplying fractions. That's multiplying fractions. So we've learned about adding and subtracting, so multiplying fractions. And we remember that phrase from multiplying before, which is, I start with something and then I love it so much I keep on doing it. I start with something, then I love it so much that I keep on doing it. So let's look at the first one, which says 1/2 multiplied by 4. I've just got a little grid to help me, but you don't need this really. So let's look at the first question. 1/2 times by 4. So let's get the first thing, a half. So I find myself 1/2. There we go, I've got it. Now remember, I love that half so much, I'm going to keep on doing it. And how many times am I going to do it? I'm going to do it 4 times. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if we look at that, we've got 4 halves. So we can write the answer as 4 halves. But just like with addition, we can put them together and we can make that into an integer or a mixed number. So if I bring these down here and put them together, I've got 2 sets of those halves. Let's just check with our whole digit cards. 1, 2. So 4 halves is the same as saying 2. Same value, different appearance, 4 halves and 2. Let's have a look at a different question now. My next question says, I've got 1/4 multiplied by 5. 1/4 multiplied by 5. So, let's get 1/4. Here we go. I remember I love it. I love it so much. I'm going to do it 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5 quarters. But once again, let's see if we can put it together to make it into an integer or a mixed number. I bring them down, put my quarters together. Let's look at what I've got. Well, 4 quarters we know is the same value as saying 1. Same value, different appearance. So I can say that I've got 1 and 1/4. So 1/4 times 5 is 5 quarters, or 1 and 1/4. Now we've got 2 more questions to look at. Let's look at our third question. And the third question says 2/4 multiplied by 3. So let's get our first number. 2/4, not 1/4, but 2/4. Now I love those 2/4 so much, I'm going to keep on doing it 3 times. So I've done it once, I've done it twice, and now I need to do it a 3rd time. Once, twice, third. If I count the quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I've got 6 quarters. Again, let's put them together though to see if I can write them as an integer and a mixed number. Again, we've got 4 quarters, which is the same as saying 1 whole. So 6 quarters is the same as 1 and 2 quarters. Very good. Final question now. It's a tricky one. It says I've got 2/3 multiplied by 4. 2/3 multiplied by 4. So let's get 2/3. Well, there's 1 and there's 2. But I love that 2/3 so much, I'm going to do it 4 times. So do it once. Now I've done 2/3 twice. Now I've done it 3 times. And now I've done it 4 times. So 2/3 multiplied by 4. If I count all these up, I've got 8/3. Now let's put them together to see if I can make a whole one. And if I put 2 together like that, well, it's not big enough yet. 3/3 is big enough, so let's put them into 3s. Let's put the cards on top. 1, 2. I can't put another one on there, so that means it must be equal to 2 and 2/3. Okay, so we have learned how to multiply fractions using fraction cards, and the key thing is to take our first fraction and then carry on doing it as many times as it says here because we love it.